folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be looking at Wera Tools Tool Check Plus Tool Rebel Edition. Apologies that I haven't done a video for a while. Been working quite a lot. Had a horrible cold, probably the dreaded, but I'm kind of getting over it. So so here we are. Let's get into this video and see what we get with the Tool Check Plus. Right folks, here we are. This is the box that it comes in. Obviously it comes in other boxes and whatnot, but this is the Wera Tool Rebels outer box for that tool. So not a lot of information on the back, nothing really on the sides, tops or bottoms. Anyway, so we didn't come for the box, did we? So let's open this up. Right, there we go. This is what we're presented with. And it's a nice little case you get. Now you only get the case if you buy it from the Wera Tool Rebels website, right? And I wanted it with the case. So if you buy it from Amazon, for example, you just get the tool itself, no bag. So that's what you get in the box. And sorry, apologies, you do get a couple of other little bits. I screwed my video up and I forgot to put those back in it. So this is take two anyway. But so yes, in the box you get a piece of Velcro. Again, you can stick that to whatever you like. And if I stick that on the back there, and then we'll just hold it like that. It's not going off, is it? That's pretty good. I like that. You get a sticker and some information, but we're not really here for that, are we? So let's get rid of the box. Right. Okay. So nice little pouch. It's not particularly big. Tell you what, let's we'll get a rule on it. So we are looking at about 210mm long there. Not bad little size. Anyway, so opening up, first thing you're greeted with is an extension bar. Now I've already used this, a bit grubby there, look. And the extension bar is 150mm long. So it's magnetised in the end. That's a nice little feature. Again, you don't get that if you buy off Amazon or eBay or any other tool place apart from the Tool Rebel website. I'll stick a link in the thing. It won't be a clickable link as I'm not qualified yet for that. So, taking it out of the box, this is what we're presented with. And I have to say, I think it's a nice little unit, that is. It's all nicely set together. And again, once it's out of the box, we're looking at about 175mm. So it's not big, is it? Let's be honest. And it's what, 25mm thick. So that's nice. So tools on the top. What are we presented with? Well, we've got here a quick release adapter. So, and this adapter, if you hold this section, you can spin, which is quite handy if you're using, say, the extension bar, and you're just holding it on the extension bar, and you're using that as a screwdriver, if you need extra length or whatever, if that's what you're going with. But the other thing about this one is it locks. So if I put the extension bar in that end, so that's the unlocked position. If I put that in, that locks. I can't pull it out, but if I pull that forward, I can take it out, which again is a nice little feature. I like that. So that's one of the little things you get with it. One on the top here, you get your little ratchet. Again, it's a dinky little thing, isn't it? That is only 85mm long, and but again, you've got this multi-directional direction. It's multi-direction, so you can spin that way. So ratchet that way, knock it over, ratchet that way. So nice, versatile little tool. It's 1/4 inch, so 1/4 inch bits can go in there. So obviously you can get adapters, quarter, and then you could then use different sized, like 1/2 inch for example. You could go with that if that's what you feel, or if that's what you've got and you've got an adapter for it and you need it. That's what you can do. So that's a nice little little tool. So that could go in there, for example, and then I could use it that way. Again, depending what I'm doing, if I need the length, I've got the length on it. And again, I like that, that's nice. And it's not overly heavy. It's a nice little tidy weight, that is. Right, feels very nice, very comfortable. Very impressed. Right, so that's one of the tools. Then we get on this side, pop that up, and you get your screwdriver. It's a fixed screwdriver. And again, you can use it with the extension bar. It's got a magnet in there, so it magnetizes in. So you've got a nice, if you're wanting to drive something in, you've got that. That's nice. So, and that little screwdriver, we're looking at roughly 80mm long. So, and again, like I say, you can extend it, or you could use this one here. Again, let's put that in there. You could go with that, and then that way, you could hold on that end, and then you could screw it that way. So it's a nice little feature within this little bit of kit. So let's bosh that back in there. So apologies if I sound a bit hoarse. Got a bit of a cold at the minute, so yeah. So anyway, so the Tool Check Plus, where does it come with? Well, you have sockets. So we've got a 5.5, a 6mm, a 7, 8, 10, a 12, and a 13. Again, kind of like the standard sizes, really. Obviously, if you need anything bigger than that, they do sell obviously different ones, and in different kits you might go slightly higher on the sizes. So again, they do lots of different size kits and whatnot. But to take that out, you just twist it down, and there you are, presented with it there. So again, 13 Wera gives you the obviously their part code number, and that's a nice quality bit of kit. That. Really happy with it. So for me to use it, I need to have, just to open the front, there's this section here. You just push from within there. So if I do that now, there we go. And then we can stand it up that way, and then we can push the back levels back slightly. So for me to use that, I need an adapter. So here we go. There it is. So that can go in there. And then if I want to use it with the little ratchet from this side, not that side's kind of like quite nice for your thumb. Bosh that in there, and away you go. And then go the other way. Yeah, lovely. And that's quite nice, that. Again, it's handy, and again, like if you're doing something in the car, for example, because you've broken down the side of the road, hose needs to be tightened up because your liquid's running out the side of the car there, and it's quite a nice little size. You can get in there very well with it, can't you? So let's pop that back down a minute. So, and we'll bosh that one back on. You just push them on, just like that. So the other parts you get, we get obviously an array of screwdriver bits. So we've got Phillips, posi drive, and some flat blades. And then we've got our Torx bits, and we've got one that's a higher security Torx bit with a hole in the middle. That one that you get is TX25. So with this we get a 40, a 30, a 25 with the hole, standard 25, 20, 15, and a 10. And then we've got a couple of Allen shaped ones. That one is an 8mm, and that's a 6mm. And then we go back down to a 5, 4, 3, a 2.5, 2, and a 1.5 Torx bit. Although technically, no, that's a lie, isn't it? No, they're Allen ones as well, aren't they? Sorry, my mistake. They're your Torx. That's your Allen ones. Yeah. So I bought this, and the main reason I bought it was because it's a good little size. You get some good little features with it, and it can replace an awful lot of tools in your toolbox. Now I've got quite a big old toolbox here, which was from my engineering days, and I've now relieved that toolbox from, I don't know, say about 10 screwdrivers. I've still got my Halford's professional socket set, never going to get rid of that, but again, I don't want to take that big socket set with me. If I go somewhere, I want to take this one. If I need something very specific, I can always take that with me with an adapter rather than the big set. But no, this covers a whole array of different tools that you can use from around the house. So I think it's a great little bit of kit, and I highly recommend it. So if you want one, they're what, £69 I think it was. You might think, oh, that's a lot of money, but what you get for it and what you can do with it, I think it's quite good actually. I'm quite impressed with it. There are other brands out there. You go with Bosch. There's another German brand, but they always do them in these horrible plastic cases, and I don't like it. But they're a lot more money. But no, I'm very happy with this. Again, bit of Velcro on that, could mount to the side of your car in the boot, and away you go, off to France. Enjoy yourselves. Get some beer. What? Other than that, it's all good. Anyway, thanks very much. If you did stick around, thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe, and I will do some more videos soon. And I've actually got another one in the pipeline, which I'm going to put up again very soon. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thank you.